All right, today's video, we're going to cover another way that you can restore a database from file. I think I've already shown you one way by running a query. You can do it the script way. There's also a point and click method where you can, this is probably the simpler method. Microsoft is really good with the user interface and allowing you to point and click. So what we're going to do is, we've already gone out to our Microsoft GitHub. I'll leave a link to their website in the description. And you can choose whatever .bak file that you need, your backup database, or any database file. And you're going to right click on databases here. You're going to hit restore database. And then here we have this window. What we're going to do is we're going to click on device. On our device, we're going to go find, right now we have file. We're going to go find said backed up device. And here we go. We got AdventureWorks 2016. Hit OK. Hit OK. We've now got our everything mapped. If you want to rename the database here, we can call it Test Sandbox. Actually, let's just call it Test 2. Test 2 will be fine. All right, we'll hit OK. It's running everything. You can see at the top right. Progress. Database Test 2 restored successfully. And it's already here. Just as easy as that, guys. All right, well, if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and thanks for watching once again.